Do you also find such difficulties while solving multiplication of 3-digit numbers? Yes? Then no more tension because we are here with 5 steps of multiplication of 3-digit numbers. Yes, you heard it right, just 5 steps. So in 5 seconds you can have any multiplication of 3-digit numbers answers. So what are we waiting for? Let's start, and please do watch the video until the end. Then only you will understand how to solve the multiplication of 3-digit numbers. So first we'll take a very simple question. I'll explain you with that the 5 steps that we have in this, and then we'll do few questions together. Okay, so if the question is 121 into 720. Okay, so first I'll tell you how these 5 steps came. That is how many digits totally we have in this, that is how many numbers do we have in this question? 6, correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 minus 1, what do we have? 5, correct? So 5 steps we are having. Okay, I guess this step is clear for everyone. Now we will make it more interesting. How can we make it more interesting? Is by drawing 5-step staircase. Okay, so let's draw a staircase with 5 steps. Okay, so this is a staircase. So we can number it as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first we'll do 2 steps together, that is first step and the 5th step. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to multiply both the digits in ones place and both the digits in hundreds place. Okay, so in ones place whatever digit comes, that will go to the down part, that is the 5th position, and hundreds place whatever multiplication answer you will get, that will go to the 1st position. Okay, so let's multiply. So 1 into 0 is 0. So there is no carry, so you can also do one thing over here, that is we can draw a line over here, and whatever carry we get we will write above this line, and the total we will give at the bottom, that is finally we'll show the total. Okay, so 1 into 0 we got 0 in the 5th position. Now 1 into 7, it is 7. There is also no carry, so we'll write it as 7. Okay, so 2 steps are over. We'll fill the 2nd and the 4th position. Okay, so for the 2nd position what we have to do is we have to take the hundreds place and the tens place. See, I can show you, that is 1, 2 and 7, 2. These 2 numbers we'll take, we'll cross multiply it, and whatever answer we get we will add and we will write the answer. That will be the answer of the position number 2. Okay, so always the bigger one, that is this is hundreds and tens place, so this is bigger one, so it will come in the 2nd position. So what is 7 into 2? 14. And what is 2 into 1? 2. So 14 plus 2 is what? Correct, 16. So 16 we have to write it in 2nd position. So 6 I'll write it here, and 1 we have carry. Correct, we can't write 2 numbers in one step, so we'll give 1 as a carry. Okay, now 4th position what we have to do similarly, that is ones and tens place we have to take. So I'll show you over here, that is 21 and 20. These 2 numbers we'll take and multiply these 2, that is 2 into 0 is 0 and 1 into 2 is what? 2, correct? So 2 plus 0 is 2. So in the 4th position our number is 2. There is no carry. Next what we have to do is we have completed 4 steps. It was very clear, correct? So first we took only single numbers from both the sides. We multiplied and we wrote in the 1st and the 5th position. Then we wrote the 2nd and the 4th position. How? We took hundreds and tens together and ones and tens together and multiplied, added and wrote it in the position. If we are having any carry, we have to give the carry. Now the very last step, that is we have to fill the 3rd position. So now we have to take all the numbers together, whatever we are having. So what we have to do is we'll take 1, 2, 1, 121 and 720 all together. What we have to do is multiply both the extreme numbers and then multiply both the tens place numbers. That is 1 into 0 is 0, plus 7 into 1 is 7, plus 2 into 2 is 4. So what is 7 plus 4? 11, correct? So now in the third position, fill it as 11. One you give it in the third position and the other one you give it as a carry for the second position. See, all these staircase values are filled and carries are there above. So now in the total position we can add and write it. That is fifth position we have only 0, no carry. So the answer is 0. Fourth position only 2, no carry. So number will be 2. Third position we have only 1. So the number will be 1. Second position we have 6 and 1 as a carry. So 6 plus 1 is what? 7. And the last position, that is the very first position, we have 7 and a carry as 1. So 7 plus 1 is what? 8. See, I got the answer for 121 into 720 in just 5 simple steps. That is 8, 7, 1, 2, 0. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope today's session was very interesting. So see you in the next session with a new trick. Until then, it's bye from Reena.